Next, we have some other stuff. And when I mean some other stuff, I mean I kind of wanted to branch out of the whole aspect of, hey, why we only focus on Magnificent Seven companies and companies around AI, specifically for AI. I wanted to show this week on how other companies besides the Mag 7 and things like that, or other big tech companies, even though Salesforce is still a bigger company, are using AI. So I haven't watched this yet. If you don't know what Salesforce is, we can kind of look into them and go over it together so you can get a better idea. But their AI, their CEO is talking about how they're going to be using AI. So why don't we see how other companies are using this for their own use cases besides these other big tech companies? So I wanted to be able to give other companies light and shine and things of that accord and how we're able to go across it all because hey, they need their chances too. They need their chances too. And praise to them. Praise to these other companies. So let's dive into this and see what they're all about and see how they're going to be using this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps out with the algorithm greatly. And please share. Really appreciate it. Let's dive in.
What are you seeing? I mean, we're certainly seeing this pullback in some of the tech names, some of the AI winners today. But when you look at your customers and what they're using Einstein Copilot and these generative AI tools for, do you think that spending is going to only increase in these products in the year ahead?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. It's the customer response to our AI products and platform has been tremendous, whether it's Slack AI or all of the service users and sales teams and marketers and commerce managers using Einstein. We're really seeing tremendous productivity gains. And that's really what's inspiring customers to go from pilot to production this year. And so I think it all comes down to...
I want to stop right there real quick. This is the CEO saying AI's helped them with productivity gains. And I've even heard from other people. I met with this gentleman who's a VP somewhere recently, and he even said that it's boosting the productivity for the people under him, for the company as a whole. For companies as a whole, AI is boosting productivity. That is what is coming out with the people higher up saying, and that's what it's meant to do. That's literally what it's meant to do. It's supposed to help us advance even at quicker rates and just get stuff done. So I just wanted to highlight that as an example. First off, you heard it out of her mouth right there. When I'm saying stuff, I've been talking about how AI should be used to boost productivity and how it's going to do it. I've been saying it, been preaching it for months, hearing it from somebody else. It feels amazing and great. Like it really does. So let's just continue.
To business outcomes, and customers are willing to spend where they see a return.
Are they spending, is it additional spend on Einstein Copilot, or are you offering it to them as part of their existing package right now? How are you guys monetizing?
So we've heard a lot of different types of requests from customers, and we're addressing that demand really through two ways. One is we have a new Einstein One edition for sales and service and for our industries that allows our customers to get everything that they love from Salesforce, including Einstein AI, Data Cloud, Slack, other features and functions all packaged together. And then for those customers who want to specifically purchase AI, we have add-on seats, Einstein for service, Einstein for sales, Einstein for platform that customers can easily buy.
Obviously, Salesforce serves a wide range of industries. Which industries are you seeing is sort of picking up quickly to the generative AI tools?
You know, the amazing thing, Deirdre, is that we're seeing it across every industry. You know, financial services companies, from banks and wealth management firms, mortgage, insurance, health and life sciences, pharma companies, public sector. It's really demand across the board. And I think it speaks to the power and potential of bringing AI and data into every organization.
And how is that affecting their efficiency? Earlier on in the show, we were talking about the upcoming earnings season and how we're going to see more companies outside of the mega caps sort of see better earnings. The breadth of this rally and the earnings trend is going to broaden out. Do you see on your side this helping efficiencies and productivities at companies?
Absolutely. I mean, I think when you bring data in and unlock kind of previous silos and trap data in every company, it really unlocks tremendous possibilities. And so we look at service representatives who are now able to answer questions much more quickly because the AI is automating the drudgery and the mundane work of having to look up knowledge articles. And now customers like Wanolo and Gucci and ADP are seeing faster resolution times, and then customer satisfaction scores go up.
How is that impacting efficiency and productivity at Salesforce itself? I remember, I think it was a few years ago, activist investors were demanding more profitability, and you guys have actually come some ways of doing that. What's the opportunity for generative AI to further improve margins?
You know, one of the things that I've always appreciated most about Salesforce is how much we adapt our own products. So all of our sellers are using Salesforce every day. Same with our customer support, customer success team. And so our own teams have been the very first to test out, give feedback on, and adapt everything from Einstein GPT for sales, so account summaries, generating emails to customers, as well as on the service side, service reply recommendations and case summaries, et cetera.
They there a lot happened there. Well, not I wouldn't even say a lot happened there that she described. She was very specific on what AI has been doing for these companies. And the thing that they have been doing for all these companies is boosting efficiency for all these companies. And you know what that means? More profits. So all these companies are now just becoming more efficient, becoming way more wealthy, making way more money because of the efficiency and productivity of having generative AI. And now, if you're a company that doesn't do this, what does that mean? What does that mean? I think if you're a company that doesn't do that, it means that you are trailing behind. If you're not using this in your company, that means you're trailing behind. And there's just so much more to it. And everybody else is going to be blowing everybody else out of the competition race who's not using AI to be as efficient. And this is Salesforce. They're a cloud software company. They help with a bunch of different people between, they said, finance, e-commerce, customer service, all this stuff that they help other companies with. And it's just making everything better. I wish she explained exactly how they would use it. But you don't want to do that because then you're going to help your competitors out. I mean, they're going to do the same thing. They probably going to do the same thing anyways eventually, but once when you release it. But yeah, like that's literally the main thing about this all. Productivity, efficiency, productivity, efficiency. I've been saying this forever. I've been saying this forever. Nobody listened to me. It's like now some of y'all listen to me. Y'all that listen every week, you got it. Y'all knew. Y'all know I've been saying it. I said stuff about the AI helping out with all this, how companies should be using it, how people should be using it. And this goes for everybody. If they're using this in every industry, what do you think you should be doing? What do you think you should be doing if that's the case? Like that like that's so much going on, yo. So much is going on. It's not even funny in today's world. Like that you just seen from another company. They're not as big as every Microsoft and whatever, but I bet you if I pulled out a video about all these CEOs from all these different companies and how they're using engineering, how they're using generative AI and stuff, all of them are probably gonna say help productivity and boost efficiency.